Something invisible caught on camera. Do you believe in the invisible things our eyes cannot see? There are moments in life that make us question everything we think we know. Because sometimes, even CCTV footage captures things we didn't notice in real time. Things we miss. Things we cannot explain. Moments that make us stop and question reality itself. And it always leaves one question in our minds. What could it be? And what could be the explanation behind it? So tell me, what do you think this could be? Here, strange glowing things keep appearing. They're not frightening at all. Just unusual. After that, the CCTV camera suddenly stopped working completely. So it was replaced with a new one. But even the new camera started showing strange disturbance lines and visual interference without any clear reason. And now, it has stopped working again. What makes it even more strange is that all the other cameras outside are working perfectly fine. Only this one seems to be affected. And that is why this raises so many questions. Is it something technical? Is it environmental interference? Or is it something we simply do not yet fully understand? I'm really curious to know your thoughts. What's your explanation? Because sometimes what we don't see with our eyes still finds a way to be seen. This video is unedited, so watch until the end. Just to remind you again, the windows are completely sealed. No fan is on. No airflow from outside is possible. No dust or external disturbance can be seen. The roof is a solid concrete slab. And now leave a comment with your thoughts. I'd really appreciate your insight. Hopefully I'll find more CCTV footage soon. Until then, what do you think is really happening here?